Yeah, buddy. Cheese grits and NyQuil for Western Massacre Lock Sport. We are looking at challenge lock today, made by Dangerous VP over at the Lock Pickers United website and Discord. This lock is called Lock, A Picker's Journey, and it is beautiful. It's engraved with some things that resemble Lord of the Rings. I'm guessing that's what it pertains to. I don't know. I don't know anything about the lock. It was sent to me by Noodle Thumb in a package with multiple other locks, and I've unlocked 2 of them. This is the 3rd and final installment, and we'll see if we can get her open on camera. We got our Diet Coke, not a sponsor, should be. Would love it if it was. Not good for you. We're gonna chuck this bad boy up and see if we can get into it. Works. I want to expose the key. We're going to use a 50,000th Reaper turner. And we're using 19 thousandths Jimmy Long's Jim hooks. Jimmy Long was kind enough to send me some bonus swag when I ordered some stuff for an upcoming giveaway I have going on. Very nice of him. He doesn't know anything about me, doesn't know anything about my channel, and was willing to help beef up my giveaway package. Thank you to Jimmy Long. I appreciate it very much. Very, very, very cool of you. So we are working our way through this. I just pin 5, I believe. There's no reason you're giving me this much back talk. There we go. And we are open. Awesome. Only took 8 minutes. But I got you on camera. Pull the key out, stick it in here. And we'll start stripping it down and see what's inside Picker's Journey. This has been a journey. This has been a great journey, a fantastic experience. I hope everybody gives a shot to these challenge locks. Especially, I mean, if you're new to picking, some of them might be too much. But like I was saying earlier, like I feel like they've amplified my game since I started picking them. I've gotten into locks that I have been unable to get into previously. And you know, not like overnight success, but you know, you gotta learn in stages. I do feel like my skills have increased like significantly though since I started picking these. So thank you to everybody at the Unlocked Discord for letting me into the challenge lock circle. You've all been extremely welcoming, and thank you for that. There we go. Yeah, 5 pins, I was right. Let's get these bad boys out of here. Oh, okay. You guys and your gnarly Frankenstein key pens, they are fun for sure. But you guys are no joke. Let me zoom in a little bit here. That is a nasty key pen right there. Serrated. Yeah, that's nasty. Couple of these bomb-shaped pens, serrateds. Yeah, a couple spool key pens. Cool. Let's see what else she has to offer. Ooh, yeah, buddy. Watch what you're doing. Okay, pin 1 coming out. I can't see what's going on here. Pin 2. Ooh. I just dropped a pin. That's not good. There it is. Spool in 3. My shim was in the way, that's why I couldn't see anything. Number 4 coming out right now. Serrated. And we'll come back through for number 5. So there we have it. We got 5 pens. We're going to zoom in on them real quick. Wow, that first pen is gnarly. Yeah, that is a great challenge lot. back into play and see if we can get her back together. Lickety split like. This was a fun one. To be completely transparent, I spent about 2 hours picking this thing tonight. I did get it open 3 times. I wanted to make sure that when I picked it on camera, I wasn't just wasting everybody's time. So, like I said, 2 hours was invested into picking this prior to make sure that I could pick it. How many are in here? 1, 2, 2, 3, there's 6. Okay. There we go. We'll start halfway in so that when we pin the front half, we're not reaching so deep. That is a very, very fun lock. Dangerous VP, nicely done. I'm glad you put this in the world because it definitely was trying for me. Yeah, these pins hang up on everything, buddy. Very well designed pins. Okay, and the final one. We are in. Come on, there we go. We're in. Put the shim back in. Yeah, this has been a very fun lock. I think I've said that about 200 times, but I don't care. I'm happy I'm into it. I get to send these out. Okay. I really like these sparrows' bodies. They are fun, compact, nice little packages. Be careful when you're picking up your shims that you don't shim your finger under the nail. That is not pleasant. The injuries of lock sport are real. Okay, cool. I'm glad I got this under my belt. Now I get to go to bed at a reasonable hour tonight. I'm not going to bother editing this until the morning, so yeah, cool. There we go. Uh-oh, that's not good. Okay, when I lost the pin, the spring fell out, which is fine. We've got the tool to do it. I wish this was a metal tool because I feel like I'm tearing it up, but it is coming. It is a Sparrow's tool. It's what came with the revolver. Try this again. Holy smokes, stop dropping the spring. I got bit by a dog probably 3 years ago at this point, and I don't have the sensation of touch in this thumb on the like from the joint to halfway up the pad. So it makes some really simple hand movements not so simple for me. There we go. Not an excuse, but there is a reason I keep dropping shit. Okay. We are good. Operational lock. I'm actually going to put a drop of oil in this bad boy too. And before it goes on, it's moving a little rough. I use the 3-in-1 oil from Harbor Freight. It does a really good job. Yeah, those pins are nasty. Let's give it one more level of tightness. Okay, we're good. I am going to definitely spoiler this again because I think I kept the key hid for the first part during the pick, and we will edit it up so that there is a spoiler in it. Closing comments on this. Somebody spent a lot of time making this. It's beautiful. It shows that somebody spent a lot of time on it. I'm absolutely honored that I got to pick it. I get to sign it. The old cheese grits and knife bowl. The good old put your cheese grits and knife bowl right here. There's some great names on here. Doc Machina, Loose Shirt, Lockpicking Engineer, NCR, Noodle Thumb. Some great pickers' names on here. As well as a bunch that haven't seen it yet, and I'm sure they will get it at some point. But yeah, that's it. This was a well-made lock. It was a fun pick. Again, I was flattered to be able to pick this. Thanks for watching.